Hey everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to draw a finger in under 5 minutes. So grab your pencils and let's get drawing. We're going to draw the index finger. It's basically going to start over here. We'll have the joint over here. The joint typically protrudes just a bit. So we'll kind of go here, we'll protrude at the joint, and then we'll draw in a foreshortened way. The finger is going away from us. Over here we'll have another joint. Over here we have a joint. And of course, down over here you have the nail, and it is a foreshortened view, so you basically have the finger going away from you. So let's see if we can clean this up and just make this look ever so much better than this. And we'll do that. So cleaning this up, yep, you have the nail over here, and the nail kind of has this piece over here, and it kind of curves around, so you have that nail over there. Over here you basically have this part of the nail coming around, but it really shouldn't curve in that much actually. It should be very subtle in terms of the indentation on the joints. The indentation on the joints are actually very, very subtle on this drawing, because we're actually looking at this from a foreshortened position, so very, very subtle. I actually went a little too hard and did a little too much on that, so don't take effect to that as well. Always go darker on the bottom, so the bottom is going to have some shading, and essentially you're just going to pull it up, as I've said many times before. So you basically start at the bottom and kind of move up in a curved position, and you can follow this pattern all the way to the tip of the finger, and you can kind of move this up, just 1, 2, 3, like just keep it going like that. And while you do that, you want to make sure that your proportions are good. So if there's anything that looks a little bit off, now's the time to really do that. So over here, you definitely want to get enough of the jointing shown. This is a little too much, so I basically just get this over here. And over here you have some very slight jointing as well. And then you kind of have like a lot of these little lines that kind of go back and forth. At least I'm kind of drawing my own hand, if you will, so be patient with me. On my own hand, I kind of have a lot of these lines that kind of go like this. So have that, and you kind of have this over here. So we'll use our smudging technique to kind of put this together. I think this is too long. I kind of want this to kind of probably go down to the thumb, right? So, and this kind of goes to the other finger. So it was obviously a little too long. We're seeing this come together, but we definitely want to get some more shading over here. So all you have to do is just use your pencil and just get some darker kind of pencil strokes down at the bottom, and use your smudge technique to let them, what I call, bleed onto the page. Over here as well, you have some joints. You can go darker on the nail, but do not go darker on that little piece over here. Basically trying to make this look as realistic as possible. This is looking a lot better. You might want to grab a different pencil, and you can always just like ever so slightly put some hair on the nail. This is a male's finger, so you might want to just get a couple random lines like this, kind of just around this part of the index finger. And then sometimes you might even have a couple hairs over here, but I won't draw more than that. So I'll go back to my standard pencil here, and I'll just put some darker things on the edges, because I think it shows a bit of curvature when we draw this. And the hair, you don't want to smudge the hair too much. And that's basically it. I would say that's pretty much how you draw a nail in under 5 minutes. Sorry, a finger, an index finger. So thank you so much for watching and have a great day.